Alright, y'all, so I'm up in Taunton, Massachusetts right now. I just got loaded. I have a load of seafood on board that I'm taking down to New Jersey tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Right now it's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. You know, but listen guys, man, I woke up today just overjoyed, man. You know, just happiness. I joined a very, very short list of content creators yesterday. You know, a very short list of content creators who can say in just 4 months on YouTube, they hit 100,000 subscribers. So from the bottom of my heart, you know, each and every person that's subscribed to the channel, you know, I just want to take this moment to acknowledge you. I want to say thank you, and I appreciate all your kindness, your love, and your support. You know, all your positive feedbacks in my comment section. You know, those are the small little things that motivates me, encourages me to keep going. You know, so I just want to take that moment to say a big thank you to each and every one of you. You know, when I see these numbers in my YouTube studio, you know, it's almost mind-boggling. You know, like, I've only been on YouTube for 4 months, and my channel has over 56 million channel views. You know, that's big. That is major. Over 100,000 subscribers in just 4 months. I have a lot of followers on my TikTok. You know, I have 242,000 followers on my TikTok. But it doesn't hit the same. You know, it took me a while. Don't get me wrong. I'm grateful and I appreciate it. But it just doesn't hit the same as 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. You know, YouTube is a slow grind. It's a slow process. There are trucking channels on YouTube that I've been subscribed to and I've been following for years. And when I look at my channel and I browse and I look at their channels, I'm like, wow, I've been following this channel for the last 4 years and this person still only has 20,000 subscribers. I actually enjoy their content. That's why I'm subscribed to their channel. You know, I tell you guys all the time, my formula is simple. I just put God first and I just watch everything come together. When I started this YouTube channel 4 months ago, I didn't expect this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. My goal was to gain 20,000 subscribers before the year is out. I did 20,000 subscribers in 3 days. 3 days. All the glory to God. When you trust in Him and believe in Him, everything is possible, man. So listen guys, I don't have my microphone right now. It's actually in the truck, but it's dead. It's charging. And I'm about to go in the truck and I'm about to roll out and I'm gonna start this journey down to Jersey. So I'm gonna mount the camera. Alright, so this is a victory lap, man. 100,000 subscribers. This is how we gonna celebrate. We gonna ride together. Y'all gonna ride along with me and just enjoy the ride. So everybody out there watching this, who's subscribed to the channel, who's not subscribed to the channel, as long as you're watching this, I appreciate you. Alright, so let's take this ride together. Just gonna call this one the victory lap. So listen guys, once I get rolling, my truck is too loud, y'all won't be able to hear me, so just enjoy the ride. Listen, I told y'all once I hit 100K, I was gonna give y'all an 18-speed tutorial. So y'all can look out for that. It's coming.